Hey man, we back with another POV. We got the Widebody 2022. Feel me? She dirty. It's snowing. As y'all can see, we in the rich neighborhood. We finna snow drift. We finna do it all. This ain't no cold start, but and I gotta get.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Hey, you have to put it up for the winner.
Hey, look, back again and I don't think I can
Put what
stop
up?
making heat. The way my voice
Put what
on
up?
this bitch, you think I made the
Put
beat.
what up?
Fuck the bitch up in the 4 seasons
what
and
up?
made her make the sheet. He bragging that we hit the same bitch, but he paid the fee. I blew 100 grand last month, so we got different problems. I'm the type to hit a Bible study in Balenciaga. I'm known to fuck a bitch good and they gon' take her shopping. If she rockin' Prada out the blue, then you know I popped her. In training camp, I can't wait till I can blow again. Told me that she got the wettest pussy coming.
Oh, wee. And then it's the stock tires on there, all seasons. Pirellis, bullshits. And they, you feel me? They getting bit. They getting busy. Let me put the speed on there. 'Cause I got the gas on there. I'm the only man on Snapchat that be in the Scatpack trying to be fuel efficient. I'm trying to see 25 to the gallon. I'm trying to see 30 to the gallon, I promise. I need it all. I don't even know where I'm going. This is my city and I ain't never been over here. I think I do know where I'm going though. This is Hendrix. How y'all want it? Left drift or right? I like going right every time. I know they like this boy crazy. Don't bag out your driveway, man. Tear the booty off that motherfucker. You hear me? No, I don't know where I'm going though. No bullshit. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I gotta put the seatbelt on, man. They finna chew me in the comments like, bro, we couldn't even hear the car. You feel me? Seatbelt on. Stop playing with them. I don't know where I'm going, gang. What's that way? Where he just come from? I should have drifted this bitch all the way back around. Go ahead and catch yourself, baby. Don't let me catch you. That's fast though to be, you feel me? You see how it's raining and snowing. That's fast. And I know it'll go faster. I feel the tires planted. But I ain't trying to tear nothing up. I'm just trying to figure out where to go. I gotta get a muffler delete. I gotta get a cold air intake. It's December. We in Michigan. So like, is we driving all year round or is we putting her up? Y'all let me know what. Talk to me in the comments. Is we sparking up the thoink too? Is we dangerous? Is we dangerous? Is we a liability out here? Once it get in the air, is we a liability? I got some other friends that got cars too. Y'all will see them soon. I think they camera shy. I don't know. Y'all will meet the gang. Right, but right now it's just me. So y'all gotta fuck with me. If you sit that hole, watch it spark that weed up too. Spark that joint up. Oh, it's getting foggy in here. Hold on. Hold on, tripping. I don't know where I'm going. I keep telling y'all, think it's a game. Window getting foggy. Nobody coming. Oh, just got nasty. Oh, he losing control. He losing traction. He losing it. He losing it. He losing it. He losing it. Ha ha ha. He losing it. It's fucked up. I don't know where I'm going. Chat, I'm lost in my own city and I can't check. Car don't got Navi, you feel me? Car don't got Navi. And the phone, I'm recording off my phone. It hit different when I'm recording off my phone and I can't use my phone to check the GPS. Don't hit that basketball. Catch yourself. Having fun in this stove. They said you have to put it up. They said all through these folks' neighborhood, man. You gonna have to put that car up.
Shut up, bitch! Oh my God!
I'm driving till I figure out where I'm going, whether I know where I'm going. Cause I was trying to get somewhere and I don't know where I'm going. Talking about put it up. Put these up. I think I found my way. I'm O'Harry. Let's go. I know where I'm going, chat. I know where I'm going, chat. I know where I'm going. See, then my friends got cars, and feel me? They all wheel drive SRTs. They come on now. We gonna bring it to y'all. Raw, live, and uncut. I know where I'm going now though, chat. Y'all gotta really comment though. 2.1K views on the last video. No ideas commented. And y'all gotta subscribe. If you watching and you ain't subscribed, how can you watch? How can you be okay with that? You fuck with me, right? Gotta subscribe. So you don't miss a video. No, I think I'm still lost though. Oh!
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I'm gonna hit these folks. Oh man. What they doing, chat? They just ran into the street. Chat, what they doing? I told you we a liability off the woo. We a liability off the woo. Bad. Him right there, he almost killed them dogs. I know y'all seen that, chat. I can't wait to go back and watch this when I edit this. Ain't no way, boy. We a liability. Me and bro in a red Equinox. Just imagine if I would have been cutting up. Just imagine if I would have been, you feel me, thinking it's a Camaro in wet mode, trying to just drive, you feel me, 60 down this. Man, that little Rock Wallace would have been rocked all right. Okay, we getting close. We getting where I can get y'all some business at. getting where I can get y'all a show at. It's snowing, but now it's trying to rain and snow at the same time. Like Michigan weird. And him right there, the Equinox almost. R.I.P. Them dogs. Should I go try to find my folks? Should I go try to find gang? Come on, man. He got a Durango for y'all, SRT. I know y'all want to see that. Should I go try to find him? Our city's so small, it ain't hard. Like, it's not hard. I guarantee you I can find him. And matter of fact, we is finna try to go find him. Hold on, somebody next to me acting up. I'm cutting up down Henry. 60 down Henry in the rain. Y'all hear that whine? Oh, maybe I'm tripping. Hold on, let me not get beside myself. Dodge dealership right here. Come on, man, come get y'all a scat or something. Watch out, what is you doing? Neil, you tripping. I'm finna go find him right now. I bet you I find him. And he going on camera. Geechee, he getting on there. Oh, cuzzo, what I was... None of that. Why you ain't drop that content? Y'all gotta get in the, feel me? Y'all gotta motivate him when y'all see the whip, cause if it's there, I'm putting it on camera. Y'all gotta comment. We want to see that. That might motivate cuzzo to, feel me? You know what? Let me go ahead. When these folks get out of my way, I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want to see though. I just gave it to y'all back there in their neighborhood. That's why I was back there. Oh, I'm in here. Y'all, I'm out here almost burning up the scat seats. I got the suede boys. It's dirty. I got towel. Cause it's snow. I had rolled down the window and got the seat, snow on the seat, had it trying to soak out. Hold on, let me slow down there. That's how you put it in mode. Let me go over this train track. It had a little hard time gripping right there, but it did it though. After I hit it the second time. First time it was just spinning, chopping. I wonder how long I've been recording for. I would go home. I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna drop this one right now. I got some other POVs recorded. I just was taking my time making it right. But I'm gonna edit this one and drop this one today, cause it's been a minute. And I don't like that for y'all. Perfect title too. You just don't even know. Ain't nobody gonna get out my way though. Like, we just driving 30 to the light. I'm the one tweaking though. I'm the one trying to do 60. They doing what they supposed to do. I'm a liability behind the wheel. Look, Granny, she just doing what you feel me? Granny ain't even, she can't even see her. There she go. Granny ain't even mean no harm. You ain't have to get out of my way, TT. If I would have put it in any other of these other modes, besides what mode it's in. When I was doing those drips and was sliding, would have kept on going right into whatever direction I was headed in, somebody's yard or a tree or a garbage can, mailbox. We going to find. Oh, just got sideways right there, you feel me? I know they like, man, what is he? In this? Yeah, man, gotta get this content. Try to pull up on gang right now. Y'all know it be like hard when you starting out and you don't got no fans for real. Like finding what to talk about in your videos, cause you know, most people be having people commenting, you know, talking to them. So in the next video, they got some stuff to address or refer to, speak on, speak about. So y'all definitely gotta start commenting. Without y'all, we don't be nothing. That's the reality of it. Windows steady fogging up. I don't understand what's going on. Get y'all a drift. Come on, I'll give it to y'all every time, man. Got the camera shaking when I give it to y'all. Let him turn in, man. Smoke out. Leave the window down a little bit for this pull. He got from behind me. The car right there got from behind me. I know he like, man, hell no, that boy tripping. I'm finna go try to find gang. Oh, we here right now. I told you our city's small. I'm only a few whoops to the left away. Not even a few. Not even a few, man.
One eternity later.
Ain't over whooping. I hope I ain't gotta hang up and call them. Hope they hear me knocking. It's the Don. It's the Don Juan. I can't tell that she ain't right. Man, I might gotta call him it then. Get back to the video. Hold on.
What go down in the dark must come to the light. She texts me like she don't give a fuck, man, these bitches trite. But I can't even blame the little hoe, cause that's the shit I like. I treat these bitches like some dirt.